Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. I'm Lauren Rabin, and on today's show, we're featuring peaches. So Chef, what are you gonna be making?
Seared and roasted chicken thighs, a warm salad of barley, some Swiss chard, peaches with almonds, and a little bit of honey.
That sounds delicious. So I've boiled a pot of water, and all we're gonna do is stick our peaches, you can help me, inside the water hole. And you wanna boil them for about a minute or two.
So I just went ahead, I'm kind of cleaning these off the pit. I went ahead and put the chickens in the oven. I have some sage here, and I'm just gonna chiffonade those.
And can we add this fresh sage to the baby food again as the child progresses?
I think that would be fantastic.
And I think flavor without adding sugar, it would be a really helpful thing to do.
Of course.
Let's check on our peaches.
All right.
I think they've been in here for a little bit, so they're ready to go. And just stick them into a bowl of ice water. We're gonna now take our peach. You're just gonna peel back the skin. It should be really easy. I think sometimes making baby food seems a little bit scary, but it's really not. It's so easy, and it's so cost effective as well.
And the health benefits,
few
because
weeks.
you know what's in those ingredients.
So over here I have my barley. I boiled this in water. So I have my shiitake mushrooms here, a little white onions. I'm gonna go ahead and take some Swiss chard and just kind of sprinkle this in. I am gonna add just a touch of honey to this.
Okay.
I'll sprinkle my sage in now.
We're just gonna close this up, and you can go
On
ahead.
it
Why don't you
goes.
press on? Yeah.
there we
And with
go.
the peaches, you don't need a ton of liquid. You can add a little bit of water or breast milk to it, but it should be pretty good. That's
And then that goes
amazing.
right into the freezer?
Yeah,
and
the
it could be in
freezer
a
or the
sack for
fridge.
later.
How amazing is this? And some are reusable, so they're good for the environment.
So I went ahead and sprinkled a little toasted almonds that we crushed in there. Added the peaches to the barley. It should be ready to go.
This looks delicious. So good. You can taste the herbs in that. Join us next time on Cooking for Baby and Me.